I'll guide you on syncing music in InShot on your phone. First, add a track, as you can see here. Then, drag it to align with your video, carefully. Let's start by adding some music, like this track here, as you can see. Now, let's move to the next step in the process. We add this track or another, as you can see here. Now, everything is set up perfectly. We have both the video and the music ready, as you can see. Let's move on to the next step in the process. To sync, note that music often adds at different points. Simply drag the track to align with the video start, as you can see here, ensuring perfect timing. To start music at the beginning, simply press and hold the track, then drag it to the start of the video, as you can see here. To start music in the center, drag the track to the desired point in the timeline, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your video, as you can see here. To sync music in the middle, drag the track to the video's midpoint. It's easy, as you can see here, ensuring perfect timing and seamless integration. Nothing complicated here. Thanks for watching, good luck, and goodbye to all.